Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Rigathi wa Gachagua na Kalonzo aya eri, they are very tactical. Ni mathukeirie Ruto ground kuria Ikamba-ini kuria arari acere next week. Ni ndoka hau na ni kumara story ino ya tiriri. Ruto ni arendaga muno na ni atumite andu mathie maririe Kalonzo igetha Kalonzo aingire thiini wa thirikari ino. Eniki Ruto arethana na Kalonzo and he is ready to offer anything. Iyo ni gukaho now. Muthenya wa ira tonire Kalonzo na mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua mekuria Ikamba-ini na mathio guka muno tamoni na makinya Mutonday kugwothe no ni Rigathi wa Gachagua akeria ohoro wa empowerment iria rari kuria Kapseret ni ohoro utrendete muno na thikerio na by the kiria video ya Rigathi wa Gachagua akiuga tiriri acio andu nio wakabira ni trendete muno magithiukuka Ikamba-ini marathiaga guthukiria Ruto ground. Niki Ruto eneshera ya Ikamba-ini next week. Now Rigathi wa Gachagua na mundu ugwitwo Kalonzo Musyoka ira na umuthi thabari yao yothe ni Ikamba-ini kila handu haria Ruto agathie mambiriria guthie guthukia ground makiugaga one term. Koguo ona Kinara agithie kou akora ground already ni thukitio ni ayeri. These guys are very tactical, ladies and gentlemen. Atiriri no werire mundu ugwitwo Ruto aigate Gachagua. You see now Gachagua tactics iria aratumira ita icio I'm sure magika thini wa metha-ini yao. They are the one who decided. Ni aroka maybe is the one who coming with these tactics. Yet uyu mundu ni mauga atiriri eguthira na wiki cigana igiri. Now ni atwikite kironda kinene. In fact araigwikana gukira Raila Amolo Odinga. Ruto kwina andu arona aicungwa nacio giothe ama mwire aigate Gachagua akaigwa uru muno, but hida ria uri hakwi muno ni ukuona uria mekunio tuma very soon. Now Rigathi mundu gwitwo Ruto kwatuka tiriri ni arendaga na horo centronia makeria muthenya wa ira tini arenda Kalonzo aingire thiini wa thirikari ino. Eno ni tactic ya Ruto ku weekend opposition tondu Kalonzo agimake blanda ya kuingira ku thiini wa thirikari ino no korona Matiang'i akiheo opposition kana akiofu no aingire. Itanya ria mundu ogwitwo Ruto gwita Kalonzo aingire thiini wa thirikari ino hena undu arenda guplay. Kalonzo agite aingire thiini wa thirikari ino riu kungihuana riu ndurire ciothe ta ci mwena wa thirikari na riu mangihuana riu aya andu othe me against Mugikuyu. That's the tactic. The tactic is tayari kwa mwaka wa 2007 election niyo ndamiona kuraihu ati ndurire ici ciingi ciothe cione ta ciongana ci mwena wa thirikari Gikuyu gitigwo nja. You see? Iyo niyo kiria iyo niyo plan. No Kalonzo ni aregete na kauga asha ndekuingira thiini wa thirikari ino because he knows for one agikia thiini wa thirikari ino like for now agimake blanda aitie tu hanini uguo aingire ayuka kuma tuhukiria election andu matingimwitikia. Ni amenya tiriri as we speak Kalonzo ni amenya tiriri ena opportunity ya gwathana bururi-ini wa Kenya. He has opportunity. Niki tondu opposition ino yothe ingikana ikarathi mundu uria maga support kwina uhotekeku munene muno mundu ucio ni agathana because andu mukauga tiriri ithu o mundu uria tutarenda no ni must go. Opposition ingikarathi yuge ni Kalonzo ogakora kura nyingi cigathi gwi Kalonzo. Yes, andu marenda majority no gira thini wa social media andu marenda Matiang'i no magikathe magire ni Kalonzo no oi so ena opportunity. So kuingira kwa mwena uyu wa Ruto ni gwithukiria. In fact ni mathie jina kuria Mutuse constituency ya Mutuse na kuma rauga Mutuse ni one term. I tell you guys things are boiling. Na tactics iria drona Rigathi wa Gachagua magitumira ni tactics ingi ngori muno. In fact thini wa ithurano cia 2022 tutionire uguo ati Uhuru arenda guthii kundu fulani wakora Ruto ni atangurire. Okay, ni ngirete thini wa Mount Kenya region tene no tha ici wakora umuthi na ira Rigathi wa Gachagua na Kalonzo mekure ikamba-ini, yet Kinara athi akure ikamba-ini next week. Leu ground iritwo ni one term makero kwiko ni empowerment kwa mahena indo cia kiria cia empowerment real no koge ni bosho na ndo marorio muraku ati. You see whatever Sudi did yesterday, it was a big blunder, big blunder. Na ni blunder ona Kinara aramifeel. It's a big blunder. Yes, Sudi yerethondekera gwake na Sudi I tell you for real no agacoka gwake no ayage nyumbani I tell you for free. Sudi no agacoka na gathura kula nyingi pio no ayage home I tell you. Agacoka tene na aroki athukiria ayage. Yes, ayage reu matigothe kuingia thini wa Mount Kenya guthi kweana mboco ringi na mucere niki ona magethire kuteithia Sudi kweana nduthi nyu mwaka uta mucere niki. Is that empowerment? That's not empowerment. Ucio ni urimu turia tha ici ucio turia hotu. In fact mboco yo ngi haka yo igwe kana ndirahe. So guys, it's a big blunder inyifanyika jana. It's a big blunder. Sudi arathondekire gwake athukiria angi aingi muno athondeka gwake twe nyiki no ari athukirie nio aingi makiria. Fact athukirie ona Kinara. It's a fight now. It would be a fight between themselves. The fight has started escalating. Fight yo iguthi enderete uguo because of this blunder they are doing. Nikida mwire ku utina think tank. And now Rigathi wa Gachagua na Kalonzo, they're very tactical. In fact, let me tell you guys, higwa Kinara akenda guthi Western League wakona anatembea manyitana othe matogore ku kile Western. I tell you for free. Na higwa Kinara gatu guthi Western akona ground ni thuku makiria. I tell you for free. Na uguo niguo gwaikara. That's how things are, ladies and gentlemen. Uguo niguo gwikarite maundu maikarite uguo nimo nigetukinira muno mojere mauni manyu naiko inywe murona atia murona gwikarite atia na maundu maya ai murona mahuana atia. It is what it is. Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Gamatina mathime. Thank you guys.